यू नो व्हाट, जब थोड़ी सी ठंडी होती है तो गरम गरम कॉफ़ी पीने का अपना ही मज़ा है. So our work from home person is still working. Once, let me show you. So yeah, she's still working
With motion sickness.
with motion sickness. So guys, can you guess from where I'm vlogging right now? Well, I am on a horse. I'm kind of scared. भैया हाँ. Leaving for Shimla with two of my friends, Simran and Priyanka. And we are really excited after this lockdown, but still anxious. Hopefully Corona will not catch us and we'll have full fun. Yeah. Now we have stopped in between at some dhaba for breakfast because we all were hungry and थोड़ी सी motion sickness भी हो रही थी. I slept and had a good sleep.
Yeah, that's true. पोहा खा लो.
या हम खाना घर से ही लेके आए हैं एंड कॉफ़ी, पोहा, पराठास एंड हमने एक वेज मैगी भी ऑर्डर की है. So we're gonna have that. Weather is really cold.
और गुंजन टोटली अपनी स्लीप पूरी कर चुकी है. With motion sickness.
With motion sickness. Usually मुझे होती नहीं है but या क्या कर सकते हैं. हमने थोड़ी फोटोज क्लिक की एंड नाउ वी आर बैक on our journey to Shimla. Maybe I think within 1.5 hours we'll reach to Shimla. So I have my two friends along with me. Simran you have seen earlier and finally she's Priyanka. Finally we have reached to Shimla and यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक जैम है और सिमरन का वर्क फ्रॉम होम वर्क फ्रॉम हिल्स चल रहा है. She has her office today. तो यहाँ पे काम चल रहा है. डेडिकेटेड एम्प्लॉयज वी आर विद यू.
बट ये भी एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस है.
या इट्स अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस टू वर्क फ्रॉम होम इन हिल्स. हम लोग कार में थे, दैट्स व्हाई वी डिडंट वियर मास्क. बट सेफ्टी फर्स्ट, so mask is very important if you are going somewhere because Corona is still alive, guys. We have reached the hotel. It's a Airbnb and the name of the place is Nirvana Stays. We have booked Delight room. It's pretty spacious. I'll give you a room tour in a minute. So our work from home person is still working. So yeah,
Still working.
she's still working. So me and Priyanka, we're gonna chill, click some pictures,
Yeah.
make her jealous.
It's okay. I am enjoying the view.
Yeah.
And work.
Yes.
Promise.
And we're gonna click some pictures. We'll get freshen up. We'll have some girls fun, which I'm not gonna show on camera for sure.
It's a secret.
It's a secret, yes. So let me give you a quick room tour. So as you can see, we have chai, coffee ka jugaad, and then room is quite big. It's a delight room. This hotel has different categories. Basically an Airbnb. It's not a hotel. So table and chair, ignore the mess. And there's the balcony over there. TV if you wanna watch it. And pretty simple, clean and decent. Hopefully we'll have a great stay. And there's a mirror over here. Let me show you the washroom as well. So that's how the washroom is. Right now we are going for lunch. Super hungry. Yeah. 10 to 15 minutes of walk to the Mall Road. So this is the market towards Mall Road and काफ़ी कुछ है यहाँ शॉपिंग के लिए. This I'm gonna explore later because right now we are so hungry. Just need food. So guys, we have come to Sher-e Punjab for our lunch, and this is our yummy lunch. Let me show you. Paneer, dal, rice and chapati. So we are done with our lunch and now we are going back to our hotel. We'll take some rest and we'll come back. So right now we are taking the lift and I'll show you. So you have to give 10 rupees and for senior citizens it's 7 rupees. This lift directly takes you to the ground floor. And let's go. So we just came down from one lift. Now we have to take another lift. So you have to walk through this and now we're gonna take the second lift. Chale? Let us go. And my friend Simran, as I told you, she was working and till 6 she got free. So now we all are ready and we are again leaving for Mall Road to explore, to chill, have some fun. Look at the view outside the place where I'm staying. It is so pretty. My god, so beautiful. And welcome to day 2 of Shimla. So yesterday I couldn't end day 1 and we were so busy in ourselves and we were enjoying a lot. Seriously, it was a much needed getaway for me. Okay, so yesterday we went to Mall Road and wahan pe we didn't explore much, but we just went to Brew Estate. And it was really good. The ambience is really nice, so you can go there, explore the cafes and everything. Today evening we'll explore Mall Road and Bridge and everything. And also make sure guys, if you are going to Mall Road, then at around 10 everything closes apart from few cafes, hardly 1 or 2. But if you're traveling alone, so it's not really safe at that time, so it's better that you go around 4 or 5 p.m. and then come back by 9 or 9:30. And also there is a lift which I told you, which will take you to the Mall Road. So that lift also closes at 9 p.m. So right now we have started our day 2 and we have come to Mashobra, which is a 40 minutes drive from Shimla. So we have come to this place which is Cargignano Nature Park. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm coming here for the first time, but it seems to be quite a good place. And now we are all set. So this is the place where we are going inside and let's go. So you have to give 50 rupees. 50 rupees is the entry fee. And let's see how this place is. 2 of my partners in crime, rather I would say partners in my trip. And look at this, how beautiful it is. guys, this is a very beautiful place. I would highly recommend, if you're coming to Shimla, you can definitely come to Mashobra, to this park, and you can just chill and relax. It has a small swimming pool, a tree house, and it will take around 1.5 hours for you to explore this whole place. And it's really peaceful. So guys, can you guess from where I'm vlogging right now? Well, I am on a horse, if you can see. Yeah, and the name of my horse is Shera. So right now basically I am at my next spot, that is Naldera, and यहाँ पे एक main golf park है. For the sake of experience, we have taken horses, and I'm kind of scared. भैया हाँ. Oh, hi.
Me too.
Bye. चलो.
Hi guys.
I don't.
यहाँ पे लगेगा 30 रुपीस।
भाई कैश निकाल लो.
मैंने
So,
निकाल लिया है,
हाँ.
पहले निकाल के बैठी।
Great. So you have to pay 10 rupees each for the entry fee, and per horse it's 400 rupees or 500 rupees, but you can bargain as much as you can, and ignore the way I am moving. But it's really fun guys, and यहाँ पे 2-3 spots होंगे which I'm gonna show you. So yeah, it's a golf point, and it's a total 45 minutes journey on horse, but if you're going on foot then it will take around 1 to 1.5 hours. And honestly हमें इतनी power नहीं थी कि अभी हम लोग इतना चल के जाते. Plus we are lack of time, we have lots more places to explore. So yeah, it's gonna be fun hopefully. Look at that, how crazy this is. Look at the path, and this is how we are going. Okay. Look at that. Wow. It is fun. I suggest if you're coming to Shimla, then plan one day to come to Naldera and Mashobra and cover these spots. It's gonna be really fun, especially this horse ride. काजल, मेरा शेरा और तेरा कौन सा है सिमरन? भैया पीछे वाली का क्या नाम? राजा. ओह, राजा के ऊपर रानी बैठी है.
यार राजा के पीछे 2 बंदे.
अच्छा, वहाँ पे पिकनिक वगैरह और समर कैंप का एरिया है. ओके.
टूरिज्म के ठहरने के लिए,
यहाँ पे स्टे के लिए बने हुए हैं कॉटेजेस.
ठहरने के लिए।
अच्छा, ये तो इनकी बुकिंग ऑनलाइन वगैरह होती है. क्या नाम है भैया इन स्टेज का?
HPTDC।
सॉरी, फिर से बताना.
HPTDC.
HPTDC स्टेज. ओके.
सतलुज नदी बहता है डाउन में ना जी,
अच्छा.
इसी जगह को तत्ता पानी बोलते हैं, हॉट वाटर स्ट्रीम।
Okay. So down the hill there is hot water, tatta pani, and you can enjoy an amazing view. And this is very scary.
हाँ जी।
Oh my god. Oh. This is a really. Gunjan is trying to pamper her horse like a dog.
You and me meant to be
safely down.
great out.
Oh my god, where?
Oh my god, seriously, this is
Very good boy. No. Oh my god. मेरे को लग रहा है ये ट्रिप का बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस है.
yeah, this is really.
So this is the view where we are having our Maggie right now, and that is the little stall over there. You can see it's really peaceful guys, and weather is also quite nice at this time.
Distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
वेस्टर्न नेशनल गोल्फ कोर्स इसको एस्टेब्लिश किया था लाल किले में।
Okay.
meant to be.
मंदिर है, गोल्फ कोर्स है जी।
This is the golf course and
हाँ जी, गेम चल रहा है ना, मेंबरशिप लेना पड़ता है।
okay.
You and me, meant to be.
This is
बाकी ऊपर
really
का
an
टेम्पल तक
amazing
लंबी में अगर
view.
जाना हो तो मंदिर तक जा सकते हैं।
Forever free.
ये मंदिर तक है, इसमें अलाउ ना जी।
Okay. Can someone click it? Oh my god, this is awesome.
Wow, guys, look at that. भैया ये कौन से पहाड़ है?
हिमालय के है वो पीछे।
हिमालय के हैं ये? Wow. So if you'll see there, वहाँ पे बिल्कुल नीचे चाइना बॉर्डर है ना भैया? भैया एक बार बताना इन्फॉर्मेशन इस
ये रोड जाता है चाइना बॉर्डर पे, ये डाउन में जो रोड है ना,
हाँ,
ये
हाँ।
तक चाइना के लिए निकलता है।
अच्छा, और ये हम कितनी हाइट पे हैं?
7,500।
7,500। और इस जगह पे आप कुछ कह रहे थे ना, मंदिर वगैरह भी
ये
है?
काली माता मंदिर है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है।
This is the top post point.
या वाओ,
राइट साइड भी इस तरह के गाँव हैं।
इट्स फ्रीजिंग। वाओ, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, लेफ्ट साइड में है। ध्यान से, माय बेबी शेरा, केयरफुली। इट्स काइंड ऑफ स्केरी, लाइक वी आर इन दिस स्मॉल पाथवे जहाँ से हॉर्सेस चल रहे हैं, इधर पूरा आओ फक गॉड, यू विल सी मी। My god, view is so incredible. The journey comes to an end. Oh. Oh. अरे वाह, look at the view. Guys, I'm ready to fly. Ready?
सी टैग चेक कर लो।
हाँ। अभी मैं कुछ भी ना करूँ?
आपको
कुछ नहीं, बस
करना।
आपने रन
चलना है बस,
चलो।
2-3 स्टेप।
चलो 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 चलो
Oh my god!